We've all heard it. A penny saved is a penny earned. Well, what if that's not the whole fucking story? The classic wisdom is a great foundation, but it's only the first step. The 1% principle of Kaizen takes it a bit further. It's not just about saving every penny you earn. It's about consistently improving how you earn, how you save, and how you invest those pennies. As Albert Einstein famously, supposedly said, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it, and he who doesn't pays it. This isn't just about money, though. It's about every area of your life. Small, consistent, daily effort compounds over time to massive success. Are you ready to put your old school wisdom to work for you? Click the link in the description below to download my free Kaizen Kickstart checklist to start making your 1% improvements every single day. Thank you so much for watching. Boom!